Hey guys, I'm here with Nikki, my fiance, and we're going to do the Death Rain Trivia. What it is we're going to ask each other 10 questions, and if you get your question wrong, you have to have one of these habanero Death Rain potato chips. If you haven't noticed, they're rated oh my god on the heat scale. So we're going to start. The rules are, if you can't stand the heat, you lose, or whoever has the most points at the end wins. You want to start?
No. Okay, do I ask you my question?
Yeah, you can go first.
Okay. Which of these has not been tried as an official gelatin flavor? A. Cola, B. Celery, or C. Cantaloupe?
B?
It was cantaloupe.
Why is there celery?
That's small.
Oh.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard to read.
I'm scared.
True or false? In the Lord of the Rings series, Frodo Baggins is an elf.
False. Yes.
So that's one for Nikki, none for me.
What is the highest rank in Boy Scouts? A. Tenderfoot, B. Eagle, C. Hawk.
B?
Eagle?
Yeah.
You're right.
Oh, good. Multiple choice. If you're running as fast as you can, which of these animals is likely to catch you first? A falcon, a cheetah, or a black bear?
Cheetah.
Falcon.
Shut up. Let me see that. I don't believe you. Oh, no.
Sorry. Falcon.
Oh, no. Okay. Can I take this one?
Sure.
I'm gonna take...
They what?
It tastes good. Okay, let's go.
You asked me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got a point too.
Which of these has the smallest brain? A porpoise, B, an elephant, or C, a human? No, a human.
I don't know. Oh, a porpoise is big. That's the...
Oh, I know, it just started running. Oh, my throat.
True or false? Chewing gum takes 7 years to move through your digestive system.
False.
You're right.
Yes.
Actually, it only takes a few days.
FYI. Okay. True or false? Alaska is the 50th U.S. state.
True?
False. Hawaii joined after the United States. Joined the United States a year less than... Who cares? Less than a year after Alaska. That's what I was trying to say.
Any American viewers are probably shaking their head at me right now.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god. All right. Which of these inventions is the oldest? A, telephone, B, telescope, C, television.
I said earlier that I thought it was the telephone, so I'm going to go with that.
Ha!
Oh, no.
It's telescope.
Ah, frig.
First one was invented about 400 years ago. Entertaining and informative.
Oh, I don't like you. Oh, swallowing is the worst. AstroTurf got its name, true or false? AstroTurf got its name when it was used to carpet the first spaceships.
True?
False. AstroTurf was named for the Houston Astrodome, which was the first stadium that used to install.
That makes a lot more sense.
Oh my gosh.
I wish I was smarter.
I'm doing much better than you. I feel like I have more than 2 points. You've eaten
3.
a lot of chips. Oh my gosh.
True or false? A nectarine is a cross between a plum and a tangerine.
False? I know it's some kind of peach something crossover.
I didn't even look. Nectarine and a fuzzless peach.
Aha.
Learning a lot.
Which continent is home to the most countries? A, South America, B, Africa, or C, Asia?
See?
No, it's Africa.
There's so many Asian people.
I feel bad for you. Do you want
Nope.
it?
Nope.
Do you want
No.
it?
I'm good. Which of these months does not have 31 days? A, March, B, June, C, October.
30 days.
Are you serious?
June.
For those keeping score, 5-1 for Nikki.
True or false? Water is actually thicker than blood.
True?
False.
I thought it was a trick question.
Oh.
I think this is 2 chips.
No, it's not. It's just all crumpled. And they're kettle cooked chips, so they're very crunchy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my eyes are starting to water.
My mouth is just tingling now. It's been a while since I've had one.
Winner gets to eat the rest of the bag.
No, okay. I'm gonna play dumb now.
True or false? You can get garlic breath by rubbing a clove of garlic on your feet.
Ah. I heard something about this. I'm gonna risk it and say true.
6-1.
Superman, you're gonna get this one. Cannot see through A, kryptonite, B, lead, C, glass. Oh, maybe you won't.
A?
Lead.
I don't get a point for that.
No.
I gotta eat a chip for that. There's probably nerds everywhere shaking their fists at me and screaming into your monitors. Or foam. I will shoot chips. Your mouth probably isn't even hot anymore.
No, it's not. It's a little tingly, that's it.
True or false? Pigs can get sunburned.
True.
7-1. Ask me a question.
Oh, yeah. How do you say data head in pig Latin? A, at a day, ed, I don't know. Which one of these?
A.
Yep, you're right.
Oh, good.
Take your point.
It's getting getting hard to read. True or false? In baseball, a count of 1 and 2 means 1 strike and 2 balls.
False. One question left.
Oh my god.
True or false? A typical pencil contains enough graphite to draw a line 35 miles long. I just told you this last night.
That's right. True.
It is.
Ah, good. 3 whole points. True or false? It's easier to balance with your eyes closed than your fingers in your ears.
False.
Well, there we have it. Nikki had to eat 1 chip with a score of
I
9
did 2
points.
chips.
How'd you get 9 points then?
You miscalculated.
I've been being generous.
I had to eat 2 chips.
Oh, she had 8 points and I had 3. Thanks for watching. My mouth hurts. Oh, milk. Follow me on Twitter at BJC30001 or Instagram at BJC3000 or on Snapchat at BJC2020. If you like this video, please subscribe. I suffered for you.